welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope everyone is doing good. I have a double unboxing that I want to share with you all from the 20B collection, which is the fall winter collection. So let's get started. As always, here's my receipt. And let me open this small box first. I've been waiting for these earrings. Oh, so here it is. This is the Dangling crystal and pearl earrings. It has a light gold pearl and crystal CC drop. And this is how it looks. Let me just take this so you can see how it looks on the back. So here, the side and the back looks like this. And let me check where is it made from. Okay, there, it's made in Italy. It's so small. So the pearl measures 1.3 centimeters and the CC measures 2.5 centimeters. There. So what can you say? It's so beautiful. Let me just wear it on so you could see how it looks on me. I really love the style. It's so beautiful, classy, and elegant. I will definitely wear this every day. I ordered this through my SA and I haven't seen this in person. I am super excited to unbox this because this is my first wallet on chain and this is the new version. So, open this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so here's the dust bag and a small booklet because this is under SOG. Are you ready? So this is my new wallet on chain. Oh, let me just take this off. Let's just see everything together. There, so this is my new wallet on chain with removable phone case. Yes, it has a phone case inside. So let me just show the details of the back of the wallet on chain first. So this is in caviar leather with silver hardware, and this is how it looks. So the side looks like this. And the back, it has a back pocket, and the strap is detachable there, and the chain looks like this. So let's open this up and see how the inside looks. And here is the removable phone case. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so amazing. What can you say? So it has a snap closure. So the inside looks like this. We will try this later if my phone will fit in here. So let's just put this on the side. And then, so here's the inside. It's all leather. And then it has a zipper closure. So there's two compartments, one for the phone and for your essentials. And here you have a 6 card slots. There's a zipper closure, I mean zipper compartment for your coins. And let me just take this off. So this is how it looks inside. You can put your bills here. And there's another one here. So here's the card, and it's in 30 series there. And you can see that it's made in Spain because it's a wallet. There, so it has a burgundy leather interior. So I love the color of this burgundy interior. There you go. So this is how it looks. What can you say about this new wallet on chain with removable phone case? I really like it. So let's see what can be fit inside here. Of course, pretend that I already have. Oh, so this is how the side looks like. You can stretch it like this. For the measurement of this wallet on chain, I will put it on the description box below or here on the screen. Of course, my phone. This is iPhone XS. So let's check if I can fit it in here. There, you can fit it inside. So let's see what we can fit inside this bag. I won't be using this phone case because I want to maximize the space of this wallet on chain. So let me put my iPhone XS here. And then on the other side, my key holder, compact wallet, my candy mint, so lipstick, and a perfume sample from LV. So let's check if it fits inside. So there, perfect. It all fit inside. And this is how it looks on the side so I can still stretch it. Here. So what I like about this wallet on chain, it fits all the essentials for on the go. It's so versatile. You can use this as a clutch or wallet. It can be worn as a short shoulder bag or crossbody. You can also use other straps since the strap is detachable. This is great for shopping, running errands, and useful for traveling. I like this removable phone case. I can use this with my other bags. So I'm so happy to add this to my collection. Yippee! It's so useful and practical in my opinion. So stay tuned for my modeling shots. Let's see how it looks on me. For reference, I am 5'4½", almost 5'5", and the strap drop is 22 inches. So as a shoulder bag, crossbody, so just right for a crossbody, and you can also use this as a clutch. You just have to detach the strap there, and if you want to shorten the strap, so just wrap it around, and you can use it as a short shoulder bag. I think this looks really good. You can also use other strap if you like. So I want to accessorize this. I will be using a pearl strap. So here it is. Let me just put this on. There, it really looks good with the pearl strap. So you can use this like a top handle or by the crook of your arm like that. There, I really love it. So I hope you enjoy my unboxing for today. Please give me a big thumbs up if you like my new wallet on chain with this removable phone case and my earrings. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!